Hello everyone, welcome to Qingdao Liangwang Wei Woodworking Machinery. Let's go inside factory. Welcome to Liangwang Woodworking Machinery. Let's have a visit inside factory. We are looking exclusive distributors and customers around the globe. Liangwang are perfect for edge bending, edge bender, CNC router, saw table and all kind of woodworking machines. Our company is based in China and we are manufacture top notch edge bending woodworking machines. If you are interested in our products, so please feel free to contact with me. Thank you.